Alright guys, so right there it's coming. We got a Porsche Boxster. It's got a radio. Alright guys, so look at this. We saw this trim. This trim comes straight off. This silver comes straight off. Got no power in it. I hooked up one strap right now, but I think, to be honest, there's nothing wrong with this. And the top is perfect, immaculate. There's one dent. This look, we just tried cleaning it right there. You guys can see the marks. Right here, it cleaned straight off. Brand new brakes. You see the brakes on it? They're brand new. The brakes. They're brand new. The spoiler. Alright guys, I'm in here right now. And this, we thought blown airbag. This, look, there's just chrome pieces that come straight off. Pioneer radio. It's got a screen protector we gotta take off. Got this on off. It just clicks right now, guys. But it's got a short shifter too. But yeah. Alright guys, so we made over here just to get some food. We got the Porsche behind us, but we just looked at the DEF and it says under fluid, or exhaust fluid is under halfway full. So that's because if it runs out, it goes in like limp mode, I guess. I don't know, but it doesn't let you go above 35. Is it 35? I think it's 50. It doesn't go. I'll let you go above 50, and it's a little limp mode too. But we just realized, while my sister and my mom's in there, we might just stop by AutoZone or like Napa or that's O'Reilly's, and might as well just maybe get some exhaust fluid too. But guys, so we're in here and we got a new battery in it, and just click we took out this panel. It's the carpet and this panel, bunch of 13s. We're trying to turn it, turns one way a little. And all right guys, so this engine is toast. We both spark plugs, well, one thing was out. That spark plug was all demolished. And then all the way on the right, the spark plug was hit too. So we're gonna put this back together temporarily and put a new engine in it. Guys, look at this accident just now happened. Shoo, airbags popped. Everything. Wow. Hold start up. 6-7. Alright guys, so we just stopped by Ace because we just picked up this Porsche engine. As I told you guys, the other one was bad engine. So we got this Porsche engine, full, everything's included. We just take one out, pull one in, clutch right there. I get a strap right here because this is wiggly. See you guys.
Easy because it's still cold. Yeah, come on. Go ahead.
Alright guys, so yesterday we went, dropped the oil out of it, and right here, we dropped the oil out of it, and right here, that's the oil. Darker than we expected because we just changed it 6 miles ago, but it's just because this engine had zeroing for a while. So we realized there was a backup camera right here, so we got the wire and it was cut. It was cut under somewhere over here. We saw the wire hanging somewhere over here. We looked the same wires. We ended up having one of these wires, so we just connected them all up right now, ran it behind the heat shield, so that camera should now work. All right.
I guess so.
Oh yeah, guys, I can sit in here comfortably. The screen is now clean.